What are we doing today, Corey?
So today we are working on the E30 and we are taking the old suspension out. We have to measure the struts. I can't remember exactly which part of the strut, but we have to measure the bottom part for Silver's coilovers. They told us to pull them out and measure them. I can't remember what part we have to measure, so I have to send Alex a message and figure that out. But until then, I'm gonna start working.
Are you impressed, banker?
I'm wondering why somebody stuck this much money into an E30.
Because he lived in Georgia, his daughter lived in New Hampshire. His daughter had 2 kids. So he was like, oh cool, we like to fix up old cars and bring it up to her to sell for a little bit extra than we could down here. So he did that with this, and then right as he was finishing it up, she was like, hey dad, I love the E30 and all, but kid number 3 is on the way. It's gonna be hard to fit 3 car seats in the back. So he was like, well, I just stuck all this money into it. I'm gonna sell it to Fitment Industries.
Who scraped it?
Oh, that would definitely be us.
Do you want to give him the story on that?
Yeah. So we were going down the road and I saw what I thought was like a foam noodle or something. Turns out it was a full chunk of an exhaust piece. Alright, so these coilovers are continuing to be the biggest hassle of the build so far. We went to FedEx to pick them up, found out that they're actually at a different FedEx location despite FedEx customer service telling me that they would be here and me getting an email on my phone telling me that they would be here and they're ready for pickup. So, we're about to go drive a couple miles that way and hopefully find them. Nice ride. You should add it to our gallery. Alright, so we are at the second FedEx location for the day. Hopefully this place has it. Looks more like a Kinko's than a shipping center, so I'm kind of concerned, but hey, they claim that they have our coilovers, so let's find out. I feel like a kid on Christmas! I got my coilovers, ma'am! Yeehaw! Coilovers are finally here. We are gonna get started right now. I'm gonna go get a knife, we're gonna open these up. We're gonna go to town. We have to chop it right about here. That way this sleeve will come on over there and we'll weld it right there. Scares me.
It's so low.
Yeah. It's gonna be on the floor. So yeah, the reason the bank is freaking out right now, give me 1 second, I'll grab the spring.
Run, Corey, run, run.
So that was the stock height.
Oh, the spring compressed a little bit.
Yeah, with it compressed just a smidge. So we should be...
That's like 8 inches on a car that had 2 inches to clear.
So it should be really fun. And this is not even all the way at its lowest. We plan on going all the way as low as we can. So, you know, we'll show you what that is.
I really feel like you should do a little bit more research before you cut this. Like that it doesn't have to be cut up here.
Boom!
Can you please just do a little bit more research?
Yeah, sure, I'll show you the research. I will show you the countless videos online that say, if you want to go low, you cut it about right here. But if you want to go really low, you cut it about right here. But the thing is, we got the super lows mixed with cutting it right here. So yeah.
I'm super scared and I don't want you to f this up.
A new knuckle would be like 12 bucks on an E30.
Nothing on a BMW is 12 bucks.
Light bulb.
Yeah, maybe a screw. I understand low to the ground. This is through the ground. The exhaust and the oil pan are what's going to be holding this car up, and the wheels are going to be up here. just spinning in the air.
It's gonna be sick.
Remember how you get like semi-truck springs put on?
Oh, it's not gonna move at all. It's gonna be wonderful.
So I just want everybody at home to know that Corey lied to you.
I did not lie. I'm just trying to go way lower and way more aggressive than Banker. Because Banker's trying to lift the E30 now.
Tell you what, you put your coilover where you think it's going to be. I'll put mine where I think it's going to be, and we'll see whose wheel actually fits.
Okay. Deal.
I have a feeling he's not even going to be able to control arm to mount. Like it's gonna be at a 70, like a fucking 30-degree angle up.
It might be.
Trying to connect.
But it'll look baller as fuck. Yeah, let's start chopping away. You can't just vaguely tell me to measure something and then put headphones in.
I just would make sure you measure all the way around. Don't be like, yeah, I think like right here, and then cut it like this. Be like, okay, I need to.
You told me I'm allowed to do that. That way you can clean it up later. I hate that there's a camera following me while I do this, because I know that I'm not doing any of this correctly.
This man just grabbed the dullest Sawzall blade you could possibly find.
Okay. Wow. Got it! There we have it. That's how it'll be sitting.
Hell yeah.
Ah. Nice, dude.
Hey Brad, you wanna hand me one of those nuts? See Banker, it's not that low. Very reasonable when it's all the way.
All the way out? Yeah, exactly.
Hold on, what?
Like I said.
Yeah, that's as big as it gets.
So why wouldn't we cut a little higher and then just lower it?
Making it sexy. That's way up in the wheel well. All right guys, so as you can see, we have the knuckles cut. We have the coilovers on the knuckles. They're not actually welded yet, but we just have them mocked up on the car here. So as you can see, we still have about 3 to 4 inches to go lower. We're already way up into the fender well. So this car is gonna be low. It's gonna be real low. We've got plenty of room to go. Yeah, so next week we will be putting the suspension in. We will get you guys a wrap up of how it looks with the new suspension, how low it actually goes. All right, and if you guys are looking for coilovers, don't forget to check out Silvers on our website, www.fitmentindustries.com. Click on the store and it'll bring you to the suspension. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, follow the weekly build updates on this car and see how it turns out. Yeah, I guess that's it.